Okay, so the reciprocal access agreement with Japan was recently ratified by both of our Congress, the Philippine Congress and the Japanese Diet last year, 2025. So this year, 2026, the RAA now allows Japanese troops to come to the Philippines to join the Balikatan exercise. So for the very first time, after a very, very long time, combat troops from Japan, from the Japanese Self-Defense Forces will be coming here to the Philippines to join us in the Balikatan exercise. I cannot divulge the exact numbers or what type of units are coming in or the equipment that they're going to bring here, but suffice it to say that they will be sending now a bigger contingent to join the Balikatan exercise.
Can you share where they will be deployed or which exercises they will be participating in?
They will be participating most of the exercises. Kasi yung Balikatan exercise natin is composed of several exercises. We have the field training exercise, the command post exercise, cyber exercise, etc. So they will be joining most of this.
They will get involved with a live fire exercise?
I cannot divulge that.
Sir, may dates na po ng Balikatan?
It will be April to May.
Wala pang definite dates.
April 20 yung opening natin.
20. Tapos sir, may effect ba yung hindi ba nag-scale down because of what's going on in Iran? Like yung US troops, sir, hindi ba sila nagbawas?
No. We received the confirmation from Admiral Paparo himself. He said that this will still be the biggest Balikatan exercise despite the war going on in the Middle East. Sabi niya, hindi tayo maapektuhan. Tuloy pa rin lahat ng ating mga plinano, ng mga activities, and yung scale and scope ay pareho pa rin.
Sir, PRP Malvar was reportedly scanned by Chinese FCG. Any comments, sir?
Ang comment ko lang is that maganda ang naging reaction ng ating mga tropa, no? Because we countered their or we challenged that action by China. Kasi pagka parang kanyan parang tinutok mo yung baril mo sa isang tao, no? by that action of China. And we called them out for that. Nung nag-challenge tayo, ay tinigil naman nila yung ginawa nila.
Sir, dun sa Balikatan, so you mentioned still the biggest. So what will be new this year? How different is it from last year's, which is already described as one of the biggest federation?
So aside from having more participants this year, makikita po natin that with the participation of Japan, for instance, this will expand the scope of our defensive operations. Dahil ngayon, kasama na natin hindi lamang yung Estados Unidos at ang Australia sa maghahanda ng pagdepensa natin, hindi lamang ng Philippine Archipelago, but even our common areas. So, mas mapapalawak na ngayon yung mga gagawin nating exercises at mas makapaghanda tayo for any eventuality, whether it is man-made or natural. Kasi hindi lamang gera naman yung gagawin natin, we are also preparing for disasters. No? Kasi katulad ng Pilipinas, ang Japan ay parati ring tinatamaan ng mga bagyo, marami silang mga earthquake, no? May tsunami pa sila. And so, pare-pareho tayo ng na-experience dito sa Pacific Ring of Fire.
Sir, will there be new exercises and new capabilities that will be utilized this year?
We will be focusing also more intently on cyber exercise, on the cyber defense exercise.